The state government is under pressure to detail how Tasmania will benefit from the carbon tax. The opposition has labelled it a dud deal for the state, while some business leaders say it's a disaster.
Devonport businessman John White wants the carbon tax rolled. He says it'll put the jobs of his 110 employees in jeopardy.
It's a highly destructive mechanism that'll drive manufacturing offshore.
It'll make businesses like this one, which competes with imports from overseas, less competitive.
Also in the north, the Aluminium Council claims the carbon tax will threaten jobs at Rio Tinto Alcan's Bell Bay smelter, which consumes almost a quarter of the state's power output. In the south, jobs appear safe at Nearstar's Hobart Zinc smelter. It'll receive the maximum level of Commonwealth financial assistance.
A price of $23 per tonne is not going to be the deciding issue on the future of that zinc smelter.
Average household power bills are expected to soar a further $230 a year.
This is a raw deal for Tasmania.
The owner of the gas-fired Tamar Valley Power Station, Aurora Energy, will be hit hard.
Tamar Valley Power Station produces about 500,000 tonnes of CO2 equivalent every year, and that's probably going to cost Aurora about $11.5 million in tax that we'll have to pay.
Making it a less attractive investment if the government decides to sell it.
Were the Tamar Valley Power Station to be sold, clearly a new buyer would need to look at the liabilities associated with the carbon tax.
It's a different story for Hydro Tasmania. The state-owned company won't have to pay the carbon tax, plus it'll get paid more for the electricity it generates, meaning larger dividends for the government.
Yes, they will be getting more revenue as a result of this, and we're in the process of working out exactly how much that figure is.
It's unclear if Tasmanians will see any of the money.
What the government does with the dividends is clearly up to them.
The opposition says the state has been shortchanged for years of energy investment.
We invested serious money in our renewable capacity. We continue to pay the price for that in the form of debt held by our GBEs.
And the fact that we've got Basslink has no doubt compromised our capacity to achieve the full benefits from this package, because we're now in the national electricity market.
Mr McKim says federal compensation will help Tasmanians struggling with higher bills. Brad Markham, ABC News.